Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another topic related to journaling. Okay, so in last session we discussed what all changes were made into the journal entries when we perform insertion operation, right? This time we are going to check what will happen if we perform uh, updation or maybe the deletion operation. Okay, so these operation are different, and for these operation, like, there would be different entry in the journal. So this thing we should know, like, what all types of entries would be and performed or made in the journal, and what all operations are there. Okay, so to explain this, let me show you the example, so that will be helpful for you. And if you remember, like, if you are watching this sequence of the sessions, then you know that in the last session we created one journal. So let me show you that. Work obj f4, and here I will put my journal name, which is already created, testjrn, and library is Sharmit 1. Okay, now hitting enter, so you can see testjrn is there. Now what we will do, we will use this, and for that, what we can do, we will use the command DSPJRN, where DSP is display, JRN is journal. Now taking F4, here I will show you, here I will put the journal name, which is testjrn, which we just verified. Then library is Sharmit1, file is students, then library is again Sharmit1, and hitting enter. So we are supposed to hit enter 2 times here. So you can see these are these are the all entries which has been made to this journal. Now focus on the last one. Here you can see the time is 3:20:42. Okay, so fine. Now what we will do, and the last type of entry is close. Now what we will do, we will perform some update operation, okay, on this file. So let's see what all changes were made to this journal. I'm running one command, STRJRN, and before that I will show you the read. I will read the data for displaying it, right? So select star from Sharmit1/students, and here we have only this much of record, and the last record is 800. So what we will do, we will update this 800 student name for this 800 ID with something else. Let's say tech Sharmit only. Okay, but before that, as we have read this file, so if you refresh your journal entry, you will see that last entry is changed. Now it is 16:55 open close, because we opened the file, we closed the file, right? Now we will perform the updation. So for that, just go and write update f4, then your file name, in my case file name is students, then library is Sharmit1, hitting enter, and here we are supposed to put the new value. So let's say tech Sharmit, and let's add 800 also here, so that we can easily figure out what is the change. Okay, then hitting enter. Now we are supposed to take F4 here, select the ID equal 800, then simply hit enter. So once you hit enter, it will show one record is updated. Okay, so let's go back and check that what all changes has been done. So I'm using the DSPJRN command again, scrolling it down, because there are more than like a couple of records are there. So let's see the last entry. Last entry is for 16:56, but if you scroll it up, because this is the closing entry, right? Here one more entry has been made, which is for update. So UP is for update. If you recall, if you are able to recall, then for insertion there the type was PT. Okay, so you should be aware of these types: PT, UP, CL, OP. Okay, because this will help you to identify what type of operation has been performed. Okay, and if you would like to check more details on it, then simply go and take option 5 here. It will show you the update. Okay, fine. So we just discussed what is the type occurred when we are performing the update operation. Now let's do one more example where we will try to delete some record from this file, and then we will check the entry and we'll see what entry has been made to this. So for that, let me show you the data again, or yeah, we can see that data and then we will try to delete something. So data is 800, texture with 800. Now what we will do, we will use this command delete f4, file is students, library Sharmit1, and in where we will put f4 as id equals to 800. Then simply hit enter. So once we hit enter, it shows one record has been deleted. Fine. This is what we are looking for, right? We want to delete the data. Now we will go back and run the same command, DSPJRN, and library Sharmit1 test JRN is journal name, file name is students in Sharmit1 library. Then simply hit enter and just scroll it down. So last entry is for, yeah, this one is the last for close, but just prior to that you can see there is one more entry which is for DL. So DL is indicating deletion operation. Okay, so now it is clear. PT is for record entry insertion, UP is for record updation, and DL is for record deletion. Other is OP and CL. So OP is for file opening, CL is for file closing. Now if you would like to check the more details for DL, you can simply take option 5 here. So let me take option 5. So as at the moment for deletion it is showing no entry specific data. Okay, but if you check the detail above, it is showing DL is for record deleted, and code is returned as R because it is a record specific operation on specific record. Similarly, if you go and check for the update which we just completed, let me show you that also. So here also the code type is R, operation on a specific record, and type is code is R and type is UP for update after image. Okay, after update image. Okay, so this is the way through which we can easily identify what all changes has been made to the journal. Okay, now one more thing, if you would like to check, let's say if something comes here which is you are not sure about that, like which type is used or which code is used. So in that case we have two options. First one is the simple one, you can simply take option 5 here and it will show you that right now it is showing close member close type is there, right? Similarly code you can check, file database file member operation is performed. So this is the way, right? But another one is, let's say if you would like to fetch out the entire list of all types, entire list of code, then this is the best way. You can simply put your cursor over there, then press F1 and it will show you the list. You can see it is showing the list with all possible type that for which entries will be made to this journal in different cases, in different scenarios. Okay, so similarly if I take the cursor on code and press F1, it will show you all the code. Okay, so all code you can see, A is for system accounting entry, B is for integrated file system operation, C is for commitment control operation, likewise it is showing. Okay, and D is for database file, F is for database file member. Okay, and similarly we saw that when we are performing insertion, updation, deletion operation on record, it is returning the code R, which is record level operation. Okay, so this is the way through which we can easily identify what all changes has been made to the journal. So in this session we discussed what changes will be made to the journal in case of record updation and in case of record deletion. So in previous session we discussed about the record insertion, and this time we have completed record updation and record deletion. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. and in next session we will discuss few more things, and as usual I will ask you one question. So I request you and I recommend you to put the answer of this question in the comment section, so that if someone is looking for the solution or if someone is not aware about this thing, then he can simply go and check out the comment section. So the question for today is, what type is used for update and delete? Okay, for time being you can just put the answer for this particular question. So this will also help you to recall everything, and it will help you to prepare for your interview questions. Okay, so I recommend you to put this answer in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.